Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, April 27th, 2021.
Please stand for pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Braden in Miss Winfrey's room is nominated by Hannah because he's always kind and tries to help others. Julia in Miss Mummy's room is nominated by Natalie because she's always there for her. Miss Hosbach was nominated by Rayleigh because she's funny. She is a funny teacher who lets Rayleigh pass out papers. She was also nominated by Connor for helping a law student find their teacher. Weston nominated her because she offers to help kids. Ava nominated her because she makes learning fun and is silly. Jalen nominated her because she is always working hard. Weston nominated her because she is kind to everyone who comes her way. Shane nominated her because she always helps kids when they don't understand. And Melody nominated her because she's always has extra supplies for the students. Great job, and thanks for keeping an increased count.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 79 and a low of 66.
Happy birthdays to Abraham Amari in 4th grade, Phineas Robbins in kinder.
Happy birthday. Today in history, in 1773, British Parliament passed the Tea Act.
In the headlines, family builds dinosaurs from takeout containers during hotel quarantine. A new type of dinosaur was found in a hotel room, completely made out of containers using takeout bags and containers. They made their own DIY dinosaur made out of recyclables.
Today's fun fact is, around 40 to 50 million years ago, Antarctica was as warm as California.
Now for the joke of the day. Lily, what did one A say to the other?
I don't know what.
Ha ha, joke's on you.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Lily.
And I'm Matt.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum ba dum bum 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 bum.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 64 and a low of 55.
Happy birthday to Morgan in kindergarten and Asher in 3rd grade.
Happy birthday!
Today in history, in 1896, motion picture
Premiered in New York City. In the headlines, son sells thousands of cheesesteaks to give mom last dream of trip to see the pyramids. One determined son had an idea to give his mother a big dream she has had for years. Gloria Walker had a dream of going to Giza, and the son, Dustin Vittel, made that dream possible.
Today's fun fact is the state of California has a larger population than the entire country of Canada.
Wow.